Here's a 2021 Mastercraft X24 with 278 hours on the Ilmor 6000 6.2-liter engine for sale by Aqua Sport Marine in Lebanon, Tennessee. This Mastercraft was originally listed for $159,900. Check the link in the description for current pricing or to contact the boat seller. This one's fully loaded with the Gen 2 surf system, power folding tower, dual touchscreen displays, and a premium Klipsch audio package. You've got heated seats, fast fill ballast, teak swim platform, and it comes on a triple axle trailer. Shop OnlyInboards.com, dedicated exclusively to inboard wake, surf, and ski boats.